In this video, I'll show you how to set up the device. How to initialize the smart TV and how to how to pair the smartphone and the smart TV. Then you can use the smartphone to remote control the TV box. Now the TV box is powering on. It may take several seconds. Now the TV box is fully powered on. Firstly, you must pre-install two apps on the smartphone. The first one is for the Android TV remote control. The second one is Google. Okay. Press on the remote. Choose your target language. Here we choose English. Yes. Press yes. Of course, you can choose no. Then you can set up the smart TV box manually. Wait a few minutes. Yes. Press next. Wait a moment, please. On the smartphone. On the smartphone, press Google. Yes, then press this icon, the microphone icon on the smartphone. Okay, Google, set up my device. Then press next. Choose the target smart TV. You see, have a look. The same code. Yes. Press next on the smartphone. Smartphone. Yes. Choose the account. Copy. Now you must input the password of the Google Play Store on the smartphone. Go. Now, copy now. Copy account and internet. Press. Use the remote. Start using TV remote. Accept. Yes. Yes. Finish. Now, on the smartphone, open app. Accept. Continue. Press the target to pair. See, input this code on the smartphone. 85FC. 85FC pair. Okay. When you see this interface on the smartphone, it means that matching successfully. Now, let's have a look. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is the recommendation. This is for the section 9. The first one is for the voice section. Okay. Now, let's have a try. Now, let's have a try the voice remote. For the first time when you use the voice remote, you must logging in to the YouTuber. Okay, let's come back. Continue. Hello. Yes. Continue. Connect the. Normally, according to our internet problem, normally according to our software design, after because we in China we are using the VPN, so really the internet speed is not very bad. We must use VPN in China to log into the YouTuber and Google Play Store. Now let's have a try. Normally, if your internet is no problem, normally after for the first time you are using the voice searching, the first video you will see is the menu. Will teach you how to use the voice searching on the smart TV. Now let's have a try with the voice searching. The latest Hollywood movie. Something wrong with my internet. The latest Hollywood movie. The latest Hollywood movie. The VPN is very bad. Yeah. Okay. Besides of for our TV OS, besides of you can search the video, movie or TV show in YouTuber. You can also voice remote to open some app. For example, we want to open the Google Play Store. You just need to say open Google Play Store. Yeah, it's open. Okay, finished. Thank you for watching.